Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Seamus, Senior Index Options Analyst at Nasdaq, to discuss Options Architect. It's a new tool for index options trading strategies. Seamus, it's great to see you. Welcome to Trade Talks, and tell us what's new in the world of Nasdaq options.
Hey, Jill. Thanks for having us on. We're excited to be here. So we just wanted to talk about our recent market performance first and foremost. So with the increased volatility, we're really excited. We're seeing tons of elevated volumes in our Nasdaq 100 index options suite, most notably over 50,000 contracts trading on Monday in NDX. And our goal is really just to continue to educate as we look to engage new investors within the space.
Speaking of education, how is the options team here at Nasdaq leading that initiative?
Yeah, so this new age of retail investors that has come up so much in the last year, it's really been an important part of our options ecosystem. And this is a result of multiple factors, whether it be zero commission trading, various free and accessible trading platforms, and even the quarantine mandates of 2020. We've seen an increase in both options trading and options education. So our role as an industry is really to bring in that audience, bring in those new participants, and make sure that they're here to stay for the long run. So from our perspective at Nasdaq, there's really two avenues for that. It's through live events and then through technology content. So first, on that live events, we've done a ton in terms of getting out there and really educating in person. I know you spoke with Money Show recently, so we actually partnered with them on events last week with one of their large virtual events. So we had a slot where myself educated on interactive XND trading strategies, and then we actually had a keynote volatility panel led by John Black and Nasdaq as well. So that was a great point. And then secondly is that technology resources. So like I said, with the growth of these new easy to access trading platforms, everyone's looking for education to debunk the myths that have traditionally come with options as sort of a risky tool, while also improving just overall sophistication of their investor base. So as an exchange, we want to both partner with external initiatives as well as things that we do internally, including building out our Nasdaq 100 index options website, which is something that we're really excited to have just launched this year.
And Seamus, that educational website sounds fantastic. Can you walk us through it?
Definitely. So we have the demo up here. So really the goal of this website is to educate on the Nasdaq 100 as a whole. So here you could see an introduction to the products we have. First comes the index. So history, what is the index? What are the names that make it up, whether it be by sector or just an overall view. So you can see performances and current prices there. Next, we go through sort of the total return of the index. So how has it performed versus the S&P in certain time periods. And then as we move down, we start to talk about how do you access this index? So what are the products? And the options architect is something that we built based off customer demand of back testing. So whether that be certain moments that you want to test or individual dates that you can put in, you're able to go on this tool and really pick your investment style, pick what your strategy is, and it will sort out really what are the best strategies. So for example, on a long call, you'll get a page like this, which has your returns. It has the different products that you can use and talks about sort of, for example, the housing boom on this of where would your investment have sat in that time period using our products. So that's really what we're most excited about. And then as we continue, it gets more into education. So we go through the benefits of index options. We go through the different access points in terms of our products, and then really a hub of everything that we've put together from Options 101 to advanced and intermediate education through trade talks, through articles, content pieces. So we're really excited. This is just the start of a building block that we'll continue to add to, whether that be new content, new tools. We'll continue to build out that options architect based on customer demand. But this is something that we are really excited to come out with, and hopefully we can bring out through different distribution networks this year.
All right, Seamus, great job on that. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.